MilSpec Liner as a whole, if I were to rate them on a 1 to 10, no question, they're a 10 all day long, no matter how you weigh it.
Hi, I'm Lindsay with TNT Customs. We've been shooting bed liners here at TNT Customs for about 5 years.
Hello, my name is Clint Frederick. I am the owner-operator at Island Linings, a MilSpec Liner dealer in Oak Harbor, Washington.
Hey everyone, my name is Chris Ambrose. I'm a shop manager here at Bed Liners by Tough Skin, located in Huntington Beach, California. And we've been in the bed liner business for over 30 years.
All right, so who are you?
Jeff with Tough Coat. Been in business since end of 1999. Going on about 23 years in bed liners.
We switched over to MilSpec a little over a year ago. Since we started buying from MilSpec, we have noticed about a 30% profitability on each truck that we spray, mainly because the freight costs are lower, our barrel set costs are lower.
I've been doing bed liners since August of 2020. Actually, Steele and Philip came out and set me up, trained me, got my equipment dialed in, and we've been rocking ever since. They were solely my distribution company. I've only ever bought product from them, and from what I've heard out in the industry, I probably won't buy product from anybody else. The service is top notch. There's no way I'll risk my business to subpar performance, and these guys knock it out of the park.
And as of last year, we picked up MilSpec Liner. And ever since we started picking up MilSpec Liner, we noticed a 30% profit increase in each truck. That's because of the great price that MilSpec offers for the material, and also great pricing for freight to get delivered.
Okay, so you sprayed high pressure, low pressure?
Sprayed it all.
Okay, right on. Let's see, so when did you start buying MilSpec?
Right when it came out, I'm gonna say around 2019, 2020.
Okay. Since you started buying from MilSpec, what has it added to your bottom line, roughly?
Well, it's about 15 to 20% cheaper than my previous distributor, so that goes right back in your pocket.
Okay. Let's see. So, what's a customer service like for MilSpec? I mean, as far as dealer support.
That's probably why I went with them. Customer service, 24/7 pretty much. Dealer
Okay.
support's great.
All right. Is that probably a deciding factor as far as
It is to me.
your brand?
A lot of liners they're all similar. There's not a whole lot of difference between all of them, so I go for cost and customer service.
With MilSpec, they have some of the best customer service that I've ever dealt with. I always can get my questions answered right away. If I shoot an email to anybody there, they're always willing to help. They are full of knowledge, full of tips and tricks of the trade, and just always willing to pass that on to us.
The customer service is amazing at MilSpec Liners. They really do their best to help us out, especially help me personally out with questions about machine issues, questions about training, or just general questions about the trade at all. They're there to help. They respond to emails, answer phone calls, never have a trouble getting a hold of them, especially for emergencies.
As far as tech support goes, Philip's been out here with me last three times now. He was out here, set me up, and then he's come out since he's been traveling tech support last 2 years. This last year we just did a pretty unique project together, redid the entire deck of the Island County Sheriff's Rescue Boat. So, every time he comes out, I learn more, and we push each other and make each other better. That's what they do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate the product, the MilSpec Liner product itself?
Well, being I don't give anything a 10, I'm gonna go with 9, maybe a 9+.
Okay, take it.
So I would rate the quality of MilSpec's product 100% a 10.
As far as MilSpec distribution, MilSpec Liner as a whole, if I were to rate them on a 1 to 10, no question, they're a 10 all day long, no matter how you weigh it. I've never had an issue that these guys wouldn't just beat to the end to make sure it got resolved, and never an issue on their end. Yeah, hands down, very professional, responsive. They take it personal. They treat me like family, and I plan on staying with them as long as I'm in this industry. I'll be with MilSpec.
So for any other business owners that are kind of on the fence, what would you say to them? What advice would you give them about joining MilSpec?
Again, I mean, I've always felt that most liners are very similar. All of them. I don't care what brand names you throw out there. I've shot numerous ones. You can make them look and feel however you want. You can adjust your temperature. You can adjust your pressure. You can do whatever you want. So to me, it's all about, the longevity of the liner, of course, but the bottom line, it's cost and customer support.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate that. Again, Jeff with Tough Goat here in Bentonville, Arkansas.
What I would say to other business owners that are looking to switch over, do it. I love it. It's been super easy with truck liners, super easy to spray, great customer service, and great pricing, which really helps us out at the end of the month.
What would I say to other business owners? Buy from them. They're wonderful. Their product is great. Their customer service is great. We used to, the people we had our distributing from last time, we were waiting for weeks on weeks for chemical. Our chemical was very questionable, what we were going to get, when we'd get it, how much we were going to be charged. With MilSpec, we don't have any questions. We know what we're getting up front. It's always been wonderful. It's always been quick service. Their customer service rocks. You should definitely just switch to them.
I guess if I were talking to someone that's looking into getting bed liners, or someone that already does bed liners, and you're with another company, give MilSpec a chance. They'll do you right. They'll keep your price where you need it to be profitable. They'll work with you. I can't say that about anyone else. I have had a few people headhunt me trying to recruit my business, and when I ask them key questions, the tech support, the pricing, I just get blanket standardized answers. I don't get that with Steel, Dakota, or Phillip ever. If I'm talking to them, they're listening. They give me a unique response to my situation and my business. That's what I want, and that's what I get. I've never asked for it. I've just become accustomed to it, and I'll continue to seek that out. So if you're on the fence on whether you want to go with MilSpec, make the leap. They'll treat you right, and there's a bunch of us that you can call anytime you want. We're all in this together. So if they can't help you, we'll help you. We're all a team. Thank you.